The Segway X-Wiber is a futuristic electric two-wheeler built to push the boundaries of urban mobility. With a bold, aggressive design and advanced performance, it redefines what an e-bike can deliver. The XYBR features a powerful motor that provides instant torque for thrilling acceleration, while its robust suspension and wide tires guarantee stability across both city streets and rugged trails. Designed with smart connectivity, riders can track performance, customize settings, and stay secure through Segway's digital ecosystem. With its unique combination of style, strength, and cutting-edge technology, the Segway X-Wiber stands out as a new-age urban mobility icon. The Brabus X Awake Shadow Explorer is a high-performance electric surfboard born from a collaboration between luxury automotive tuning and water sports innovation. Built for speed enthusiasts, it delivers exhilarating acceleration powered by a strong electric drivetrain, gliding effortlessly across waves. Premium carbon fiber construction ensures both durability and lightweight maneuverability, while the sleek Brabus-inspired design adds unmatched elegance. Offering customizable riding modes, extended battery range, and safety-enhancing features, the Shadow Explorer is more than just a surfboard. It's a luxury watercraft engineered for thrill-seekers who demand the extraordinary. The OLA Diamond Head is an electric motorcycle concept that captures attention with its futuristic design and cutting-edge performance. Inspired by sharp geometric lines, its bold aesthetic makes it look like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Underneath its striking exterior lies a powerful electric motor paired with advanced battery technology, offering both speed and long-distance range. The Diamond Head integrates next-generation digital controls, adaptive suspension, and rider-focused ergonomics to ensure a smooth yet adrenaline-packed experience. It represents OLA's vision for the future of two-wheeled EVs: sleek, smart, and sustainable. The OTTR is a compact and eco-friendly personal watercraft designed for versatility on rivers, lakes, and coastal waters. Built with an electric propulsion system, it combines quiet operation with zero emissions, making it ideal for sustainable exploration. Its lightweight yet stable hull design ensures smooth handling, while intuitive controls allow even beginners to navigate with confidence. With modular storage, portability, and customizable accessories, the Otter adapts to leisure trips, fishing, or adventure outings. It's not just a boat, it's a portable gateway to water adventures for the modern explorer. The Proteus 310 is an advanced diving vehicle designed to revolutionize underwater exploration. Featuring a streamlined, futuristic design, it allows divers to glide with minimal effort, extending both range and endurance. Powered by efficient electric motors, it ensures silent operation for marine research, filming, or recreational adventures. Built with ergonomic controls, safety systems, and durable materials, the Proteus 310 blends performance with reliability. Whether used by professionals or enthusiasts, it opens new possibilities beneath the waves, redefining how humans interact with the underwater world. The Havaspark Cadden 1 is a powerful water rescue scooter engineered for speed and agility in emergency situations. Compact and highly maneuverable, it enables rescuers to reach victims quickly in rivers, lakes, or coastal zones. With its strong electric motor, buoyant frame, and rapid response design, it's a life-saving tool built for professionals. Beyond rescue, the Cadden 1 also offers recreational use, giving thrill-seekers a taste of high-speed aquatic adventure. By merging safety, innovation, and excitement, the Havaspark Cadden 1 stands as a versatile water mobility solution. The Callum Sky is a fully electric, all-terrain vehicle that blends rugged off-road capability with sleek luxury design. Engineered by Callum, a design studio renowned for automotive innovation, the Sky balances high performance with environmental consciousness. Its powerful electric drivetrain ensures instant torque and long-range capability, while its durable suspension and off-road tires make it unstoppable across diverse terrains. Inside, it offers refined comfort with a minimalist yet futuristic cabin. The Sky represents the perfect fusion of adventure and sustainability, designed for those who refuse to compromise on performance or style. Atmos Gear introduces the world's first electric inline skates, merging personal mobility with futuristic flair. Equipped with compact electric motors and swappable batteries, they provide a smooth, fast, and effortless skating experience. The design integrates a remote control system that allows riders to accelerate or brake with precision, ensuring both thrill and safety. Lightweight, stylish, and eco-friendly, Atmos Gear skates transform urban commuting into an exciting adventure. More than just gear, they embody the next wave of wearable mobility innovation, where freedom meets performance on every ride. The Horizon Cavorite X7 is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, designed for urban air mobility. What makes it unique is its patented retractable wing technology, which provides both vertical lift and efficient forward flight. Capable of long-range travel and high-speed performance, it addresses limitations of traditional eVTOLs. Built for safety and sustainability, it integrates redundant systems, advanced avionics, and eco-conscious power sources. The Cavorite X7 envisions a future where flying taxis and personal air transport become a practical reality for modern cities. The Trinova is a futuristic three-wheeled electric vehicle designed for stability, efficiency, and excitement. Combining motorcycle agility with car-like comfort, it delivers an engaging driving experience with enhanced safety. Its aerodynamic bodywork, intelligent control systems, and strong electric drivetrain ensure speed and range while keeping emissions at zero. Built for commuters and adventurers alike, the Trinova offers versatility that makes it perfect for city streets or open highways. With its futuristic style and innovative design, it redefines the three-wheeler category for the modern era. The Atherista is an advanced electric scooter designed with a focus on family-friendly practicality and modern technology. Offering a spacious seat, generous storage, and strong battery performance, it is built for everyday commuting. Its intelligent dashboard, smartphone connectivity, and safety features elevate the riding experience. Sleek, stylish, and efficient, the Rista represents Ather's push to make EVs more accessible while maintaining high performance and premium build quality. It is not just a scooter, it's a smart mobility solution for urban living. The Wheelie Fun Bike is a unique and playful two-wheeler designed to deliver excitement through creative riding tricks. Engineered with a strong yet lightweight frame, it excels in balance and stunt performance. Its design encourages wheelies, spins, and freestyle maneuvers, making it a favorite for adventurous riders who want to combine fun with skill. More than just transportation, the Wheelie Fun Bike embodies freedom, energy, and creativity, appealing to both enthusiasts and casual riders looking to push boundaries. The Bigode X-Way is a high-performance electric unicycle built for speed, agility, and range. With its powerful motor and large-capacity battery, it delivers exhilarating performance for thrill-seekers and long-distance commuters alike. Advanced balancing technology ensures rider stability, while robust construction guarantees durability even on challenging terrain. Compact and portable, the X-Way represents the cutting edge of personal electric mobility, offering an unmatched combination of freedom and excitement in a single wheel. The Acticycle is a futuristic concept bike designed to merge athletic performance with eco-friendly technology. Equipped with an efficient electric assist system, it enhances pedaling power while maintaining the health benefits of cycling. Its sleek, aerodynamic frame emphasizes speed and style, making it ideal for urban commuting or recreational riding. Built with smart integration, lightweight materials, and innovative design, the Acticycle represents the evolution of cycling where fitness, technology, and sustainability meet. The Strut Evone is a luxury electric vehicle concept that redefines sustainable elegance. Featuring a futuristic design language with bold lines and aerodynamic shaping, it combines high performance with refined comfort. Its advanced battery system ensures long-range capability, while the interior showcases premium materials and smart digital interfaces. Tailored for drivers who demand sophistication alongside eco-consciousness, The Evone symbolizes the new standard for electric luxury mobility. Strutt's vision is clear: innovation without compromise. The SkiDrive SD5 is Japan's flagship flying car project, designed to transform. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.